To have better success combating fatty liver disease, there are 5 definite foods and drinks to avoid. What are they and how do they affect the liver? Stay tuned. Before we get into the 5 foods and drinks, I want to ask for help from my friend Eric from Life in Farmland. Please just click on the link below and help however you are able. Thank you in advance and God bless you. The number one thing to avoid to have success with combating a fatty liver is alcohol. Since alcohol is a major cause of fatty liver disease as well as other diseases of the liver such as cirrhosis, it shouldn't be too hard to say don't do it. Number 2, added sugar. Foods like candies, cookies, sodas, and fruit juices contain added sugar. When your blood sugar is high, it can contribute to the buildup of fat in the liver. Number 3, salt intake. When you have more than 1,500 milligrams of sodium a day, the excess salt can make it hard for your body to eliminate water, and therefore it will keep the toxins that the liver is trying to get rid of. Number 4, white bread and pasta can each contain white flour, which is highly processed. Foods that are highly processed, such as rice, raise your blood sugar, which in turn contributes to fat buildup in the liver as stated in number 2. Number 5, red meat. Beef and deli meats are high in saturated fat, which can contribute to causing a fatty liver. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if it's helped in any way, please comment to let us know, as well as sharing. We'd love it if you would join us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Also, there is a link to a free TubeBuddy tool that can help you on your YouTube journey in the description box below. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you.